Manage maintenance tasks and track workshop job cards efficiently. Job classification and job card management begins in the workshop module, the strategic center for maintenance planning. Activities align with internal protocols. Centralized service categorization ensures all activities align with standardized maintenance protocols and comprehensive reporting requirements for the enterprise. Job classification. This directory defines standard categories to group various maintenance and service activities effectively. Name identifies the specific service category. This classification enables accurate tracking and improves department reporting. Status determines if the classification is currently active and available for selection in system records. Standardized job cards ensure every service request is captured to maintain complete visibility across the operation. Job card listing displays active service records. This helps monitor shop floor productivity and task status in real time. Action provides tools to view details, update progress, or finalize maintenance records for accurate documentation. Location name identifies the facility where maintenance will occur. This data helps optimize regional workshop logistics and planning. Job date defines when the request was officially logged. It tracks service level agreement performance. Asset links the task to specific equipment. This connection enables comprehensive lifecycle tracking and service history analysis. Job classification categorizes the service type. It applies the correct labor rates and specific reporting logic. Asset owner identifies the party responsible for the equipment. This ensures clear billing and professional communication. Priority determines repair urgency. It optimizes technician scheduling and critical workshop resource allocation for high efficiency. Job card issue captures faults reported by the operator. It assists technicians in performing a detailed diagnosis of assets. Estimated cost provides a preliminary financial forecast. This allows for budget approval before any physical work begins. Multiple issues can be aggregated within one job card. This approach streamlines workshop throughput and reduces overall downtime. Estimated delivery establishes a target completion time. It helps manage customer expectations and internal workshop planning. Documents allows for the attachment of technical manuals required for specialized repairs and quality assurance. The summary dashboard provides real-time progress tracking. It displays the total financial impact and current task completion percentage. Workshop managers track completion status. Jobcard code provides a unique system reference for auditing all performed maintenance actions across the facility. Added by identifies the user responsible for creating the record to maintain accountability within the workshop. Detailed metrics compare estimated versus actual outcomes. This data drives continuous process improvement and enhances workshop efficiency. Managers use these insights to optimize budgets. Automated work orders ensure maintenance tasks are channeled correctly. They instantly notify technical teams. This prevents delays in service execution. Assign technician links specific skill sets to work orders. This ensures high-quality service. The system tracks individual workloads to prevent technical bottlenecks. This optimizes resource use. The Parts tab monitors all materials and components. It ensures all required items are available. Stock levels update as items are utilized. Generating the inward PDF ensures compliant documentation. This process streamlines workshop throughput and enhances overall service efficiency. Archives provide historical reference. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.